Guys, welcome back. We have just an awesome job to do today. This client has this driveway kind of cracking up, and so what we decided to do is we've got this nice white plush carpet, and we've got it rolled out here. We're going to make a couple cuts and stay with us, but we're going to get this thing carpeted today, and it's going to look great. All right, guys, I'm sure you figured it out. We were just cutting carpet out in the driveway, not gonna carpet a driveway, but who knows? That might be a thing in the future. Anyways, big job. I sent Chris here yesterday. He got all the tack strip and cushion down. We got a sunken living room to do. And what you saw me out there doing was, I sell my own goods, I measure my own stuff, but I couldn't find my diagram. So we had to bring the fill all over in one giant roll so we could cut this hallway out, because I didn't want a bunch of seams in here if we don't have to. So we've got a big hallway, goes into one bedroom there. Come down the hallway a little bit more, we go into the master bedroom, and check it out, come around. So what we're gonna do is actually, there'll be a seam there. We're gonna take this whole piece right here, I'm gonna take it up to that door, unroll it, cut. We're gonna flop that into the closet, save a seam there, and then we're gonna have a seam probably right out in here, which, you might say, well, it's right across the natural source of light and la-di-da, but I would still rather have the seam there as to opposed to a seam there and a seam that I just don't want it. This, especially right here, you and I both know that that's gonna get just slammed with traffic. Here's the shower I tiled a couple weeks ago, so still gotta get the fixtures on, but that turned out pretty sweet. Back into the hallway, bathroom, we laid some vinyl plank in quite a while ago, or vinyl tile, and then we come down to this little L-shaped here, and that goes into 2 bedrooms. Both of them have closets, so everything's gonna get seams. A lot of seams here, so we just got everything unrolled. I'm gonna start cutting carpet up, cutting seams, and we'll get everything put together before we do any stretching, but I don't think we're gonna get it done today. I'm just not gonna stay past, I got Little League, so I'm not gonna stay past probably 3:30 so I can get back for my son's game. And then we'll just come tomorrow morning, finish it up. So anyways, we'll just kind of give you a little, I don't know, we'll just make some videos every once in a while of how things are coming and certain things we run into, maybe we'd like to share with you. So anyways, thanks again for watching and stay tuned. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. There's gonna be a giant bed that sits right there that covers up the majority of that seam. It's also gonna be window treatment. So we're only gonna have from there to there. And I can almost guarantee something's gonna sit right here since we have a TV hookup. There might not be, but even if there isn't, I'd still rather have this seam, even though it's kind of shining across the light, there as opposed to there. I guess I really wouldn't have minded a seam there. It really don't matter, but let's just save ourselves a seam and cut that all in. But I just don't really like seams there if I can avoid it, because there's gonna be a lot of traffic. Check this out, some bonehead installer didn't measure that. Doesn't matter, I would have put a seam there anyways, because why would you run an extra 1.5 foot of carpet just for that? So anyways, stay tuned for some more. Well, guys, it does happen to me even once in a while. Ended up, put my seam together, let it cool, and then came and walked through the room in the doorway here and thought, what in the world is that? And what had happened was some of the carpet fiber had got down into the seam and left that ugly butt crack. So what I'm gonna do is I cut it open and we're gonna recut the seam and redo it. And I'm sure I'm not the only one that this has ever happened to. And heck, I've been doing this for 17 years now, and Every once in a while it does happen, so here's what it is. Just got to fix it. All right, guys, we are ready for the carpet stretcher. So this bedroom here, I'm going to wait till I'm going to set the end of the stretcher up all the way down there and then just stretch down to here. And then I like to always stretch past my doorways before I put my seams together if I can. And what I did down here is I actually seamed up both of these doorways. It's about 8 feet across here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take good hard stretches into both of these rooms, and that'll get my pole across here. So this is like a whitish, very light color carpet. And the reason I didn't want to stretch up and stay nail, it's just a little bit harder to put a seam together when you got stay nailing. I mean, I'm able to do it, but I know this was just a lot easier, and this is gonna look, you know, just fantastic when I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead now and probably pick up some garbage and then get my stretcher set up, and I'll probably check in with you guys after I do a little stretching and talk about something else. Hey guys, welcome back here. And I got Chris setting up the stretcher in the hallway. So we're gonna stretch up to this hardwood. We realized the hardwood's quite high. And I don't have any shingles with me, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stay nail right to there, and then tomorrow we'll stretch back up, but we can stay nail, or we can put the shingle down, take the stay nails out, and finish that off nice. So I need to stretch down here, and then what I want to do is hook up that bedroom and then that bedroom. But what I did is I don't know if it'll be better to show this way. So stretched into that room and then stretched back into this room. And then what I did is I set this wall and took some light stretches. I wouldn't say light, just normal stretches up to there, and did cause a little pucker right there, which is no big deal because we're gonna give it a good crank down the hallway and tighten this up. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go ahead and put all these seams together. And what I'll do is I'm gonna stretch this way. I'm gonna stretch away from that corner, kind of go, you know, up to there. So even though I've got this seam together, there's a good chance that I probably will throw a little wrinkle in that, but it's not gonna be significant enough that I'm worried about this. I know that when I go to stretch that way in this room, it's gonna pull that right out. And so hopefully I can show you that. All right, guys, so we're in the hallway now. Got our 2x6 set. We're stretching everything this direction, as you can see. And I'll just do a little spin around here. So we stretched up to here, and we did not have, like in that earlier video, we didn't have a shingle or anything, so I just stay nailed it across there. And what I'm gonna end up doing now is I'll take that, we'll just keep stretching along here, up to here. It will cause a wrinkle, but I'll just pull it through that door, so stay tuned. Here we go, and we are just about done. The living room is laid in here, seamed up, ready to go for power stretching. And I've got to take off here, get to the next one, but Big Ronnie showed up, and you can see we got the hallway done. Doesn't that look real nice there, shingled up? I always like to have the carpet just a skosh higher than the hard surface. Big Ronnie running the power stretcher like a beast. And yeah, that's just another fun job. Another good one to be done with. Look at how plush that is. You mean, I always know it's just nice, thick, heavy carpet. You know, you're running the vacuum and it's tracking like that. I know some people, they don't like it. I don't know, I think it's just a preference thing. I love vacuum marks. I think it's like striping for your yard. Like you can make your vacuum marks look a little different, and just, I don't know, you know your carpet's clean. So just do one quick walk through before I take off. And unfortunately, I'd like to come back when the whole job was finished and get you guys that, but it's not gonna happen today, as we're just super busy right now, and it's can't be everywhere at once, but we kind of need to be. So thanks again for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one.